Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make some beet juice using beets, carrots, and oranges. So here we go, let's get started. I'm going to cut up oranges, then I'm going to juice it in a juicer. Here's the juicer. And what you want to do, just take the orange and just squeeze it in and get the juice out. Now I have on gloves because I'm using beets, and the dye from the beets can get on your hands and then your fingernails. So just to be cautious and protective of your hands, use gloves. So we're juicing the orange. Get all that juice out of it. And this is what it should be looking like this. And the oranges should give the juice a little bit of sweetness. There you go. I'm going to set this to the side. Now I'm going to put my beets in there. Cut up beets. Put it right into the blender. I'm going to add some water to it. Now I'm going to blend. Okay, that's done. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain it through a sifter in a bowl. Just like that. Get a sifter, get your bowl. I'm just going to drain the pulp to get all the juice. Just going to dump it all in there. So now that we have our beets extracted, beet juice extracted, this is what it's looking like. There's your beet juice. And there's the pulp. And you can freeze the pulp to use in your smoothies, or, you know, add into your oatmeal or something, stored in the refrigerator. So we can set that to the side. Now we're going to do our carrots. We're going to do it the same way. You're going to put your carrots in the blender. You're going to add your water. We're going to blend. Beets, we're going to do the carrots. Alright, need another bowl. I'm just going to pour it slowly. You're going to let the juice flow. Get all the juice out. Now some people may say this is a lot of work, but it's just me, so I'm not doing it for a whole lot of people. I'm just doing it for myself. Get all the juice out. And like I said, you can freeze your pulp, use it in your smoothies, you know, use it in some recipes or oatmeals in the morning, oatmeal breakfast, whatever you choose to do with it. Or you can just throw it away. Alright, there you go. There's the juice. Look like it got a little bit of pulp in it, but I ain't gonna worry about that. Okay, now that all the juice is extracted from the fruits, the vegetables, I'm gonna just combine. I'm gonna use the orange pulp because I like that. So, get all of that out and just combine it. I'm going to give it a stir. And I'm going to try not to spill this, but I'm going to transfer it into some jars. Okay, here we go. I shouldn't have said that because I first spilled it. Give me a moment. So here we go. I transfer it back into the blender, so it'll be easy because it got a spout that I can pour it into. So here we go. This is what it's looking like. Alright, I'm gonna give it a taste. It tastes good. I'm gonna add a little sweetener to it. Let's see. You can add stevia to sweeten it up a little bit, or I have the Smoky Mountain no calorie sweetener. It's good for diabetics, good for weight loss. So this is good. So this is what I probably put in it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, share, comment, like, and come back. Thank you. See you the next time. Bye-bye.